By the end of this tutorial, you will have a table of content that looks something like this. Clicking the headline will jump to the respective headline. We also have a callout style or a simple list. The best thing is that it's easy to insert and has automatic updates. What I mean by automatic updates, let me show this. We'll create a snippet that will automatically create a table of content with all the different headlines. And if you change a headline, nothing will break, but rather you will see the new updated headline, which also works with the linking. So, first step, how do we do it? We create a reusable snippet. We open some Ghost post or create a new one, and just for the sake of demonstration, we will add some headlines that will be also helpful to test later on. So let's create some H2 headlines, maybe another H3 one, so that we can see how the different headlines are handled. Some example text, and now create a HTML card. In there we paste some code, which is displayed here, but also in the comments. So if you want to copy paste, just look below the video. And now create a snippet and call it whatever you want, maybe table of contents. Very creative. That way you can use it later on and easily insert it in any different post as well. So far nothing has happened, but we need a code injection for our table of content. To do that, just head over to the settings, create a code injection, and paste some code in the footer. That is important to work for your placeholder we created beforehand. This code is also in the description. I don't want to read it out, or it doesn't make really sense to paste it in here in the video, so just head over in the description and find it there. And last thing, let's test and customize our code. By now you will have something looking like this, so not the expandable table of content, but we'll create that later. First I want to show you something different, also very important. By now we see we have only the H2 headings included, but now not our H3. If you want to change that, that is easily possible. Just open the HTML snippet and change it to H3. And now we can preview it and see that the H3 is also included. But maybe you want to have the H4, H5, H6. H6 is the maximum that is possible as well. So we create an H4 heading and maybe also a H5 one, just for the demonstration. And you'll see they're not included yet, but if we want to change that, we can do that and give the maximum depth. So everything until H5 is included. If you want some more customizations or examples, I'll leave you a link below. But first things first, let's change the expandable style. So we use the container inner HTML of the code injection. So head over to the code injection, find the table of contents, and then at the bottom, the table of contents inner HTML needs to be changed to the pasted code. Now hit save and you're all set. If you want to stick with the former table of content but change the color, look out for the KG callout card, blue, and change it to yellow, accent, or whatever color you want. You can choose from all different colors from the Ghost callout. So create a callout and check the color there. It's between green, blue, red, purple, pink, and your brand color. You'll find more examples below, also more explanation about changing the color. I hope I saved you some time, and if that's the case, maybe consider subscribing. That way you'll also find more helpful tutorials on Ghost blogging. Thanks and see you next time.